Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. She is at the bus stop now. A, RB is C, was. Option C is the correct answer. They playing cricket yesterday. A was B where C is. Option B is the correct answer. He does his homework daily. A, does B, did C, do. Option A is the correct answer. We already eaten lunch? A, has B, had C, have. Option C is the correct answer. The teacher teaching English. A, RB is C, AE. Option B is the correct answer. I cleaned my room yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. She's singing right now. A, where B was, C is. Option C is the correct answer. They were not at home yesterday. A is B, were C, are. Option B is the correct answer. He breakfast every morning. A, eats. B, eating. C, eat. Option A is the correct answer. We waiting for the train. A is B, are C, was. Option C is the correct answer. She her homework already. A had B, has C, have. Option B is the correct answer. They playing football last evening. A, did B, or C, do. Option A is the correct answer. I busy today. A, am B, is C, are. Option C is the correct answer. The boys making noise in class. A was B, were C, is. Option B is the correct answer. He sold his car last month. Option A is the correct answer. We going to the park now. A was B, or C, are. Option C is the correct answer. She was sick yesterday. A is B, was C, are. Option B is the correct answer. They already left. A has B, had C, have. Option A is the correct answer. He English every day. A studies B, studied C, study. Option C is the correct answer. The dog barking all night. A, are B, was C, is. Option B is the correct answer. She well in exams. A, did B, does C, do. Option A is the correct answer. They in the park now. A was B, are C, is. Option C is the correct answer. I reading a story yesterday. A, am, B, was, C, were. Option B is the correct answer. He goes to the office daily. A goes, B, went, C, go. Option A is the correct answer. We waiting for the bus. A, are B, is C, was. Option C is the correct answer. She very kind to everyone. A were, B is, C was. Option B is the correct answer. They not like junk food. A, do, B, does C, did. Option A is the correct answer. He was working yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. I never late for class. A, am, B, is, C, are. Option B is the correct answer. We dinner at 9 p.m. yesterday. A, ate, B, eating, C, eat. Option A is the correct answer. She writing a letter now. A is B, was C, are. Option C is the correct answer. They gone home early. A have B, had C, has. Option B is the correct answer. He does his work carefully. A does B, did C do. Option A is the correct answer. The sun in the east. A rise, B rises, C rising. Option C is the correct answer. I did my homework yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. She cooking dinner now? A was B, is C, are. Option A is the correct answer. Say a big house. A had B, has C, have. Option C is the correct answer. He not feeling well yesterday. A is B, was C, are. Option B is the correct answer. The student studying quietly. A are B, was C, is. Option A is the correct answer. We visited the zoo last Sunday. A have B, did C has. Option C is the correct answer. She playing piano yesterday? A was B, is C, were. Option B is the correct answer. They coming with us tomorrow. A are B, is C, was. Option A is the correct answer. He already finished the book? A has B, had C, have. Option C is the correct answer. The children happy today? A, am B, is C, are. Option B is the correct answer. Buy my shoes yesterday. A polished B, polishes C, polish. Option A is the correct answer. She reading a novel. A are B, is C, was. Option C is the correct answer. They gone abroad last year. A has B, had C, have. Option B is the correct answer. He running fast now. A is B, was C, are. Option A is the correct answer. We playing games last night. A were B, are C, was. Option C is the correct answer. She very intelligent. A is B, was C, are. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.